No. These people don't kill us on this social media. Rita, don't finish school. Pero la dig Maria. Bella de pay me. I don't want to sit there, I don't want to go. Now, what I say, congratulations to Rita. Rita don't finish school. Pegula, come on, laugh for evening gist. She don't finish school. Now, what? This Facebook will not go by Percy. You know, she don't finish school. Now, these people, I pray they could not make it heaven. Now, make it. Hey, don't come out to. Gosh, I want to see that today.
Now, so now person husband, why so now person husband, why you can't be criticized to go go and basic go mother. So go na person.
Hey, that it don't come on. Oh, we go now. And I will now Jerry area. Ah. Me I enter. We can enter Rita war. My sister, Rita don't finish school. Oh my God, this something just come out though. Well, mommy.
Today.
Gua. She don't finish school.
Gesteriliseerde katten, zoals Izo.
Make we laugh, oh. No say na here. Na here with the gossip, no concern us. Make oh now be the fine. Now make go be the fine. The way we make the arrange. Make me dey laugh. The way we make the arrange. Now make me if I just see her, I will just share her. You say I will say I share her now. No, can't define how they go. Even love that make name for Facebook, you know, you feel tap for your man. Fine now, this something just come on from my mind. Wait till day. It just come on from my mind. You know, if you know, tap and put. Make I go. The way when make the arranger, now that one I they sweet me. Now that one put. You got the way we make the arranger. Or what with Facebook? Make I find. I check on. I don't see. I don't see for. I don't de Rita page. I don't see. I don't see for her page. You know the name? May I check on whether. I check on whether the one. These people, they no kill us, so the way when meditation down. You congratulate later. She not a doctor. You not see the way where they take Wawara for there? She be doctor. Doctor of na teeth doctor. I be which doctor? Skin doctor. Which one she did for inside? And the one when thank you, my darling. Me I tap on. Yeah. Okay. Keep on. The way when take Wawara. The way when take Wawara. They can make person laugh. It just come out. Thank you, my darling. I should say on this page you do. It's maybe saying on this page because I don't do the page now. They are so funny. I don't see her. See her, for love. Where this person invite her come now. See her. You see how? For love, you even know what did they happen. You know what did they happen? You know say I buy my own cash. I buy my own cash. Now I buy my own cash. And the VND. I never start to the law with the VND. I buy my own, you know what? Today, as I come the clean, what time they do today? I come the clean. No say me na so clean and regiment. If you see foolish on something, if you see foolish my house, you say lovely. Every day you dey clean the house. You be like say they not dey clean now. You know children now. As I come the arrange today, now this something come enter my mind. You know say I buy my house cash. I buy my house cash. Now he picky. Now he tell they do competition with all those old school. He get one video where Monica do. Now Monica come dey talk about the pikin. Say pikin na law. Now they read. Now come say ew. Now say this Monica said she no even know who she won't use her children till they follow do competition. People wey be say they old pass your children. Now you they do competition. They call you can't call your children, you can't call pikin name, you call they call all those the Rita, you they call their name. Anytime you say take sit down, you pikin, you they do this one, you pikin, you they do that one, you pikin na medical doctor, you pikin na lawyer. Now say so you define competition. You not see your children age mate when you go take the competition. Now all these old school. Now there now come say Monica don't know wetin they do again. As I come just there now, I go carry one old school live video presenter. I will come they use my pikin. No nah. As my first daughter just dey show, I can't say my first daughter na this one, now my first daughter na that one. Now live video presenter. Now there I know say Monica, you know, I don't understand that. Now there I know say say Monica. She go carry her pikin. How old your pikin be? Your pikin na 20 years, 19 years, 21 years. Now you they carry they come where women of 40 something. Are you really serious? I can't laugh. Wood, prank me. You know, see her. My battery don't weak. So, like play. Rita don't be nurse. No, not be nurse. Be not doctor. She be doctor. My God, these people are they kidding? Are they kidding? Wow. Now we say, we call celebrator. This one way pack proof for body. Now, so doctors they take the pack and proof for body. Now, wow. The way we take one way, yo. It be like say that they say, no, what? Now, the way where see make this make can do pepper day. I pray whether make go make heaven. See Rita. See see Meg can do pepper day. Aye. Now I come they ask myself, say here, this one thing I see how I can't go remove cloth. I say, then I go remove cloth. Before I will call they laugh. Now God don't say, Rita he don't graduate now. He don't graduate now. University. Now she finish. So wait, which doctor he be? Is he na doctor when they do medicine or na skin doctor, eye doctor, teeth doctor? You know say doctors na different work now that they work. House doctor, you know, skin doctor, brain doctor, you know. Now, I say, may I can't tell now, say, we don't get another gist, oh. We don't get another gist. Now, I say, may I can't tell now, say, doctor, don't go school finish. This social media, this social media. Now, Monica, when that they do saga together, Monica say, if you can now, you don't they go law school. These people can talk like Percy when you don't enter college. Inside last year, he enter college. Inside last year, this year now he come to university. More people that want not be juju. That want not be juju. Don't finish it, doctor. Then he go talk. He Rita say she be doctor, she be medical doctor. Monica go come and say, he go say he pikin na lawyer. Last year, her pikin enter this thing college last year. This year now, now her pikin come enter university. How na come they go this una school? How na they go una school to enter university? Last year, inside last year, it be like say na about that kind almost year one and this side summer last year. It be like say they don't cut the year into two places. Now her pikin they enter college. He never even reach how many months now? Her pikin don't be doctor. College when they use 3 years, they go finish. Her pikin use 6 months, they go to college finish. He can't they do law. Do you know what? If you don't have anything to bully, just insult the person. It's better. Just the insult. The kind thing when they show sometimes, it go be like say, it get the way they be. It go be like say that they disgrace themselves more. Because nobody will be fool. Nobody. Then go they use study take a computer. I don't know. This is I can't laugh. These people, I don't know. Okay, must still do competition. You get where you do competition, you go read. Authentic lady never yet say Rita don't go school finish. Authentic lady never know. Maybe if authentic lady see this picture now, which one be this blue one? This one are the one where they take the high blood pressure. Then they put on for neck. Baby, but not come for me, because I know what there's social media. I mean, they pack. I mean, they pack what there's social media. Only way, anything well lovely, seen lovely they carry. I don't understand. The something plenty, there plenty well. This is a pepper there. This is a pepper there. Now, Maggie now. Oh, my phone don't weak. Remain 13. Don't weak. Now Maggie now. Maggie to do pepper day. See the way Maggie they shit. Like who they say planté. See the way Maggie they wawara. Maggie they try. They try. These people are very serious. Now she said that one they chat for Facebook. Will I say we'll go carry the video? Which cloth he wear that? They say he pikin now. Yeah, he pikin is a lawyer. Pikin now don't dey law school. Pikin now don't now say how they take the enter school for London. You all use 6 months to go college. You just only 6 months. You just spend that for college. Don't enter university. Now so it be. Yeah, wow. Well, I make sure say na pikin go school. If not, then I don't go be caricature. Authentic, good prank, the most jealous souls. You know, authentic lady now, authentic. If you see this one now, you know, say, you know why, yes, say, Rita, they talk of school, say they go school, you know why, yeah, kakaraka. No talk and reach where authentic lady dey. If authentic lady hear this one now, or let's say, as authentic lady say, maybe say, I don't want to dey follow Rita, Abama Cash, I don't want to follow the do saga. If you go fit bear this one, because this picture so, if authentic lady see am now, If he just pass on, if he pass, you'll say, I know if he can't they talk, he don't tire. You see, I'll come they look and say, Monica, I can't think and say, why Monica, they use a pikin, they do competition with old school. Now, old school, I don't understand. As I don't there now, I can't carry my pikin come. Can't they use my pikin, they do competition with old school. Are you really serious? If you can't use your pikin, they do competition with old school. Whenever you are doing something, you can't use your pikin, they do competition with old school. How? You really know when you know what they do, pikin where they born for abroad. You go use until they do competition with old school. I don't know the video. I say, now so you can't reach. If you not see something when you go do sometimes, just do another thing. You really say that they do you pepper there. See for another thing they do pepper there. No, they bring your children pikin. They come now your pikin now you can't they follow adult. They do pepper there. After would say she needs the pretend. You know. I don't say why you people when you follow do saga when una saga una enter house where the saga where una keep on the saga still there. Now your pikin you can't they carry they come. I'll call you as I can't say so maybe let's say for example now me with one old school. They do saga for social media. And my pikin now come they talk say my pikin na this, my pikin na that. Man, the old school not reach where I go bring my pikin come. That is, if I bring my pikin come, that means say my pikin no get level. You are bringing your child to somebody when you say he no get level. Now you they use your own pikin till they do competition with person wey no get level. Me I no fit do one. Carry like as a Rita dey, so me with Rita call the quarry. I call they carry my daughter come. That means say I dey reduce my daughter. To be honest, I dey reduce my daughter. Are you really serious? I gotta look and say, man, my sister, any saga wey you dey do, just remove your pikin. You know match. You no match. Look the age. You no match at all. Any saga wey they do with any live video presenter, you no match. You no match kakaraka. You call person old school, a woman of 47, 48. Now they use your pikin. Do you check the gap of that, the age of your pikin and the age of the person when they bring your pikin come? Why can't they use your pikin till they do competition with old school? Person when is senior your pikin almost 20-something years, like that your daughter now, like that Monica daughter now. I think she's around 20 years now. You know, now 20 years now she go this, so 20 to 21 years. Then you call it use and they do competition with a woman of 40-something years. And that 40-something years, that woman use almost 20-something years to senior your daughter. If your daughter now be 20 years, Rita Yemie go be 46 or 47 or 48. You don't know how many years it takes in your pikin. Use almost 20-something years. If not 48 years, he use 28. If not 48 years, he use 28 years to senior your daughter. If not 46 years, he use 27 years to senior your daughter. If not 48 years, he use 28 years to senior your daughter. Are you really serious? Are you really serious? Because sometimes I don't really understand sometimes. You can't use your pikin. Can't use your pikin. As I can't now, old woman of 60 years. As Bishop Baka day now, as me Bishop Baka don't do saga. I can't use my pikin. Can't use them. They follow Bishop Baka, they do saga. And you when Bishop Baka they do saga self when they drag my children. You see one day say I don't ever talk Bishop Baka matter. How come they talk about my children? No, because it not rich. You know, it not rich. Can you imagine? Yeah. The person when they talk to you use almost 30 years to senior your pikin. Then a little child when they fight how you want to arrange your life. Now they carry come where old school day. Old school when be say they not they struggle for anything again. Now your pikin they struggle to make am for life. Not be old school. Any old school by this time when they say they struggle to make am for life. Now you don't already arrange yourself for very long time. Do you understand? Pata you go work. Not they pay 1,500. Now money be that you don't they used to that money. You know, see, if they do something sometimes, they're not able to reason say very rubbish. Shouting to fuck picking fat of small picking in front of small picking for kitchen. Yeah. It's too much. Not be everything that they make money. Not be everything. Not be everything. You're not supposed to they carry a small pikin call. Because they use that they do competition with them Rita. That means say you don't fit again. You don't fit stand your competition. You don't fit stand out with Rita again. Now your pikin you can't they carry they come. Can't they do competition? Can you imagine? You not even suppose if You dey even do this thing, say you no even suppose. You no even suppose. Come they use am, come they do this thing. You no even suppose, sef. Yeah, you don't suppose. Wait till your pikin made on. Now you go bring come out. Wait till your pikin made on. Now you go bring come out. Not because they shout. Come they talk. What your child is made on. You know, see the time when where they call her. That time, you get one woman. That time, that woman they follow me. I don't see that mama again. Whether it change this thing, I don't know. I can't. I don't know. I don't forget his name. If you dey talk, she go there. My daughter go dey talk for Facebook. You say she dey talk to my daughter, you know. Then when authentic lady see say we dey talk, you know. If you can't go Facebook, because I say that one pikin, that one pikin, that one pikin, that one pikin. If I dey life, how much you say your pikin dey Hey, I tell her, say, not be my pikin, you go, they follow, they do this rubbish. You know, the day when I tell her, say, the little company when it open by itself, I don't use man to talk on. I show one. When I sit and say, now, wow, you say, the little company when that they open little company, you can lie. Say, the little company where your daughter, they manage. They go school, you see, they manage the little company. Say they receive 4,000 plus every month. I say, now they write for comment. So since then, when I show her, that comment, nobody, that comment disappear. I say, yes. The day when I got to do this, and I see that out. And that time, you say, the little company where your pikin they manage, say, you say your pikin they reach this thing. I say, yes. They manage the little company, still they go school journal. If they shout for there, now I tell my daughter, say, come bring your account, make I show her. I show her I show the account to her. I say, see her, you see her, you see the account. No pay she can't enter live video, she can't they shout. Hey, your pikin, hey, you know they go school, hey, you say your pikin they receive 4,000 plus. Now I say, yeah, my pikin, he built the company up by herself. He still they go school journal. You see, it's still the gospel journal now. What did they do for Europe be that? A lot of children that they do. I always say, now come they use now till they chat for social media. Come they use now till they do saga. They don't tell where these people they use their children till they do saga. If you want to brought something out, brought waiting your daughter is made on. Now you go bring come out. Not be by mouth. What your child is made on. Now you go carry come out. Wait till your child they manage education. Your child they go school and they still get waiting they manage. Wait till they support himself. Now so mothers they do. You see, now so mothers they do. I can't show that one. I tell her, say, you think I'm making noise? I know they make noise because anybody if I just there, you say your pikin get little company. Your pikin not they go school. For where? You can talk like, Now, sure, I tell her, say, my pikin, they go school. You still open that little company by herself. When my daughter, they built that little company that are old, 17 years, it already they built and they come small. You see, when they build that, they come small. But you know, say, most of these people went there abroad, they think if you just go fabrica. Now job be now only fabric and I be company. That is self-employing. You know that is self-employing. Now people when you get self-employing, now you get money pass who they go fabric and they work. Self-employing, now you get money pass. You create something by yourself. That's what I want to shall follow me. Oh. If I did like you say your pikin they do this, huh? You say your pikin they do this, huh? I don't follow a talk. Oh. Now gist we just the gist. Now talk we even talk reach that day. You know? Now so they tell one person can't say, now wow, how your pikin will use 900 or something euro to buy shoe. Now can't say, yeah, they earn more than 4,000 euro. Why not if you buy shoe? Now another person can't say, get one of your friends picking us so. Now they earn big money. You know, now so we come to the talk about them. They all come social media. They now wa nyaga. Now so we take the talk out. I say, now why una can lie? Now show. Since when I show her the something, she wrong. I tell her, say, you think I'm coming to carry my pikin? Because they follow. Now they carry my pikin. Sit down. Because they use until they do saga. No, this soft my children is made on now go show. Now so that they see more. Instead of you to they talk, they explain. You don't need to explain. Just show wetin you they do, wetin your pikin they do. Now you go show. You know, as I showed that one, I think 2024, January 2024, when they just do New Year. Now New Year day, now they shout, they go, hey, hey, lovely pikin, oh, hey, lovely pikin, oh, hey. You see that this thing when it gets so, that little company when my pikin build by itself so. If your occupation now, you don't finish school, don't do everything. If they use your occupation, they work now. If he seller, either he seller, if he put person, he go they pay that person every month. Now so that they do. Those are the mistakes when they make. They come they tell everybody say now they get money pass. And they come make I bring my this thing. My phone don't weak. And they come make I go bring this thing for inside house. For upstairs, the last up. Now they are said that they use children till they do competition with old people. How can you be using your child? Once he quick you like down, you don't finish with that. You know, that's them. They use your pikin to do competition with Agripa. Adult for that matter. People when they senior your pikin for how many years? You don't need to do that. It will be like say you yourself. You they reduce your pikin. Yeah. If somebody talk, maybe they use it directly to talk to you. All you will do, show them the soft when your pikin made on you come on for them. Because they talk with him, what they happen. They are like that. They always say something that they are not doing. Now so authentic lady they follow me that year. Once I did there, you know, they since it not called the when I say it not gonna write that comment again. It just waka come out. Yeah. They say wait if you show something, yeah, they go see her. Me waka come out. Now it be this they also when I don't go. This they also. You know say I can't say I don't see you. These people when they do pepper then see them for see them for here. Pepper then. See them. They can do pepper there. Now what? Then check whether another thing there. Una. E alu pepper there here ki here. Pepper there na their second name. My people now say me I can't show now. They say Rita don't go school finish. Which one? This blue one. Which one? this Rita. Hey, now what? Remain small. Rita go carry hospital bed. He go put on. He go carry her for her back. Oh my God. These people, they are too funny. You know, see, about my cash with dead now. He go they use the pikin. Now pikin they bring on and take the call they do Saga Rita. Can't you see the age distance? The good, the good, and about her is that and her beautiful kiss every time. You know, that's it. Now, no see how they say Rita don't finish school. Now we can say we can congratulate. Oh my God, this social media. Don't see this social media. See, make it way there. See ya. He can't post just sit there. Just sit it too hot. Oh my God. See. Now what? See, where for this one a hospital? I mean, I saw your ass. This one a hospital. Now what? See two of them. These people Pepper did not be here. Oh my God. Papa said, no, I don't take Pepper. So now you make Monica go from here job, you go from a caravan, what that they call her, that wood house, you go just from there fly come and view. Wherever there, it's where oh, every robosa. You know, many things when she dey blog. All those indirect words when she dey use sometimes, I go laugh. Say, chai! Now what? Man, these people that they try, me, I don't know how to do all those things. So, if you just want me, I will not clear you. I declare everywhere. I declare area come on for there. I don't want me with you continue to do all those things. She can't I've been messed. My people, this one very soon that she go carry what do they call her? Ice scoop. The ice scoop that they call her baby right. This your papa they too much. Ice scoop that they call her. That's when they say they check something. That's when it be like bat. That's when they do like bat. Wait. In what ice scoop, where they call her? Rita, if you dey here, right up for here, you know say now you be daughter when they social media. Not be this one, the second one. The second one when they take the look something. Now what? When I see this, I say, not be only me one see this thing. Me, I don't know what it is taboo for neck. This one na pepper there, not get part two. Which one be this one? This one the one where they tie for high blood pressure. I don't know. This one na high blood pressure. Now that one where they take they do high blood pressure. Where the machine they carry, where the machine? Moscow. Now pronounce how what on Moscow? Now what? This one a saga, to prepare the next time. What is a make it output? What is a making output? Oh my God. Because they say this time you get another one when you never output. When you add that one put, wait. Make I bring my alphabet. Big alphabet. I don't see this thing where no say me. I don't thought to have me but finish. Big alphabet. Wait. These people, they don't kill us so. Moscow. Hey, now what? Later, maybe next day now blood this thing will come bring on blood scoop. You say wait. Oh my God. Oh, this no, I don't know why. You know what be the problem now? Eh? They no want use chair. Rita no want use chair sit down do saga again. Eh? You no want use chair sit down. If not, eh? BP machine. Okay, now BP machine. Okay, yeah, now the machine now they talk just now. The BP machine not follow her. Because this one, the machine they follow her now, Abi. Now it day neck. Yeah, now many things now Rita pack. Oh, this pepper then when Rita this so. Which one can be this one? This people don't go kill me. This one. Okay. Which one be this one? Okay, now okay, see how see how. Now many things see papu for neck. And those are not the heavy you. See how. See the machine. He put the machine for neck. Where the one where they take the pump on? See the one where they take the pump on for here. Now this one they read this thing the what they call them high how the BP high reach the level of the BP. Now this one I be the machine where you know say this thing go they move like clock they go they move and now this one see that one when they make pierre see for here see we must see everything oh. Now that they talk say what total say oh may lovely not go carry una nyash. Okay, this one are the book when she dey write everything put. Oh, it bring ice couple. Now wow, this one a pepper there. It not there here oh. Now we dey analyze now. We not concern also. Not concern. You know, for love. The machine complete oh, it complete for your neck. See this thing, that one. Now you say now this blue one, either they type for hand. Then see this thing when they press, they will come they use until they pump on. See for there. Now they yes so see. Now this thing, no say if they pump that this thing, then. Now this one I be the meter and I be this thing when they read the meter. Be like as your electric they read meter. Now I be this one. See get up oh Madu get up, not lie down. Now today now they post this one. Maybe later the may I check and maybe later the day now Monica go come out. You know they already got your body money. 3 hours ago. 3 hours ago. Oh. 3 hours ago. Wow. Now 3 hours ago, see. 3 hours ago. Now 3 years, now it take go this what he right say 3 years of hard working. Okay, now 3 years, now it take finish this school. Oh, God say congratulations. This one what I show so maybe later the day now Monica will come do video put. You see see everything there yeah oh see the bar, the DC, the DC where they take the high and where they take the pump and the this thing. Those if you come pump and you can't leave them. Then this one you come this one where they ring the this thing. You can't they go. If now 69 he reach, they will say your BP high where. If you can't go down finish, they will say you don't get BP. You know, so if you get BP. Now this machine now they check out. If you don't still get BP, now this machine go still talk say you don't get BP. Everything there, everything everything dey here. See this one, that one where they take the check put for ear, where they take the check chest. Everything dey here. He wear everything. Everything dey. Everything dey. Yeah, everything dey. We'll call the look for the second part where Monica will come. We'll check the hospital when they. Maybe we'll use one to check the hospital. Okay, all those on cleaning something now. Those on cleaning. You know see the hand glove one that they wear. We don't say with the zanzan everything. This on a cupboard where they put all those things on. Yeah. Yeah. She don't go no school finish. Oh. Her friends say 3 years hard work. You know say with the zanzara. With the zanzan everything. They don't see say the zanzara now. They know what they do they come here again. No say that yeah now we for the zanzan everything come out. They say we know how to zanzan well. You know see we'll check everything they here. This one are where they put this one are the rubber when they put this thing. Everything they here. And I don't say if not they do now with the zanzara, no say that one our job, you know. Okay. It's yeah, okay. That's it. Now see the two. This is the proco. This is the proco. See ya. It be like see these people, eh? Oh no, these two women. No. Kai. Meg when do Meg that one no good. Rita when do Rita now that one come worse pass. Just see these two people. These two people, they're not supposed to date together. They're not supposed to date together. We never see. No go Monica side. Whether we go see Monica. Because whether Monica don't no go inside. Whether waiting that one. Ajala na big no be Ajala itede. Na Ajala itede na be. You know the one when itede I been a big man. Okay, Rita did this thing. This one. How many days? In this video is this one don't take 3 days. Make sure you wait. We'll check this video.
Avoid me with everything inside your body. Make sure.
Okay. Who they spay when? Now spay the person there. I don't know. Because they shaking us like this. We'll check whether Monica don't post the law. Not be we now waiting now they put for here now we they carry you and no be say consign us for me and not consign me and now carry market come now we they now and I don't say now my work be this one. But I they say lovely that one now me oh no consign you. Make who check. Cause Monica never post since so. They go bring ready. What they call this? They go bring very that guy has come out. Bana go bring very that guy has come out. Very that guy know his village. And I know here say very that guy papa go through way and with his mama for one corner, rent one room for them. Wicked man. Now he made very that guy today say he dey misbehave. Very that guy, his papa carry go rent one room for his mama, go drop them, tell them say they come. Now so they come see and reach. Today now they carry his grandpapa house come out. Then they bring his grandfather house come out. But now this same man, man, yes sir. For that one, when they go carry his papa house come out, that one no make sense. Because the story of very that guy say the day that they live together, his papa now can't go. Papa now go rent one room for them. Papa tell them say they come back. He say na so now. Now there now they see their papa reach till they come grow. You know see another that they show the village. Say make very that guy come see his family house. For that one, I know say very that guy they zuzu, but for that one, if papa carry and go that village one day, papa no carry and go that village one day now. Very that guy know his village. No know his village. I know say very that guy dey craze so. I know say dey craze up and down. He still dey her body, his body. Now check right another one. I don't forget that name today. But we never see big. This person never see him. Where they call him? Okay. People they use that one again. Okay, now me will check how many hours when Monica take show this. How many hours? How many times? Oh yeah, back. Now this thing they take the cuckoo cream. You know they cook cream again. It can be this one again. This one we didn't send this kind of message.
Priscilla, try to do your girlfriend where they fight for you. As a so
this bird still there, yeah. She never come out. She never come out. Okay, now this why they do this one, being a jala. How they take they spell a jala again? Now big letter they spell the jala. That name strong. Oh. You feel spell a jala for me for there. Ajala. But I said na Ajala family. Yeah. You feel spell Ajala for me for there. That name strong. Ajala. Wait. Jala. Big letter. Is it big letter? Why you going to write China? Wait and touch when they write China. Now big letter, now it be the Ajala. Is it big letter? Okay. Okay, Ajala family. I cannot too get for you. Okay, I'm not sure. I'm not sure. She never come out. She never come out. Maybe later you go. Now blog it, they use this one, they blog. I bet she they do live for year too. They do live for year too, because if you see most of all those things now blog they use now blog now they always they see. Let me reduce the volume. This our analyzation with the analyzing, it don't they go another level. We'll check that the one way. You never do. I know they go wash again, so I don't know. Yeah, okay. You know they wash again. Everybody don't jackpot finish. Everybody's jackpot. No, she never post. She never post. She never. She never post anything. Make her enter inside. For here, na soup he cook. But like say now today she cook the soup. Abi, make we check her.
Pepper and onions.
Okay, this one, don't take that one.
Wait till you feel say I want cook with this oil. Do you miss your ogbolo?
This one a new one.
Do you normally turn your ogbolo to make it loose before you go cook like this? What will be my calling on social media? My calling on social media, not to motivate. This motivate way I know. I go use and motivate.
About my account, where your friend?
25 years to get that. I go use and motivate. Nobody don't born in between. No drama. I never go use bottle, go break any girl head because of my husband. He never carry me through those type of nonsensical process of life. I never drag this marriage. I just deal with all divine favor of God. Make I don't use and tell me motivate people. Things where I still know say it can make a man to settle down with you properly. It can make you to also be a good wife.
Cook?
As if you want. Make I don't use and tell motivate my people. Now when I come social media, I come do from day one before all of una bring una jealousy. As I be talk and pass Monica, I speak English pass Monica. Where you come carry una go now? Oh, poor do people.
Now this person say they speak English now. Way that they call her authentic landlady. This time we will go ask. Say Mr. Who will go ask now? Don't jackpot. They don't jackpot. Everybody they jackpot now. Only her Zube fans remain.
Hello, my people. Good evening. How you all doing? I'm gonna go straight to the point so that this video will end very quick, so that you can show in high profession. And now you've got people. Una where the help, where waga turning your food, but it yes so shy. Here they hand me. Hello guys.
Hello guys. She never come. She never come.
I never see what is in a triple.
She never come.
Hey.
She never block anything. Maybe we'll still wait.
That's where it come from.
Whether she go blog, not concern us. Now wait till they carry corner, will they carry up and down? Because they go now, we'll still check this thing. Meg go with her friend. It's make her enter. People comment put people comment put congratulations. Wow, congratulations. People comment put, people like 60 people like 42 people comment put, 4 share, you know. But we can't go later if I buy my house cash do. Don't say, but no matter how, buy my house cash must to come do video. Me, I know her well. She must come do. Oh, get time for Monica. Video. Is this Stella Victor? Stella Victor. Nobody get that again. That talk too much. They like congratulations. Yeah, they like congratulations when we talk too much. You know, when talk too much sometimes, it will come be like say, so for how many years now foolish people now use and take follow? You know, so how many years now foolish people? You know, sometimes these people if I dey iron, now their matter now say they iron. If I dey laugh today, if I want laugh, I will go find their video. If they just they lie, their lie go just they follow there. Their lie too they open. Their lie will just open. You just don't say that they lie. You know, say when somebody go do something, you go doubt. You say maybe you go doubt. They are all the lie go just open. Now if they just they talk, the lie go just they open follow them. And the second one, Monica went there now. She go carry her pikin come. She go they use her pikin. Then they do competition with a woman of 40-something years. How? How you gonna use your pikin? Then they do competition for a woman of 40-something years. How? How? You don't tire to they do competition with the woman. Now your pikin you can't carry come. That means if you not get anything when you want to talk, you just say, I bet me I don't leave this. You know, say sometimes. No be say you don't get strength to do saga. You just say, I bet I don't feel just can't they waste my time, can't they crack my brain. At the end of the day, come like say that they cry all saga presenter turn to our and what tell us by taste by moonlight. Chai. Yeah, the matana taste by moonlight now. Yeah. The matana taste by moonlight, all of this. Yeah, now they say Rita don't go school finish, you know, see everything she pack and put for neck, pack everything. She can't use her take pictures. Since I they go this is take picture everything because people they ask say where is the micro post? Video everything day. You never know all those who they can do pepper this year. Oh my God! These people they are so funny. He pack everything put for neck, make it show where we're making the choke. She pack up for them, making the choke. Oh my God! Wow! Jesus Christ! Are you really serious? So they're not stop saga. You know what here? Now if you reach a comment section, now you tell no say they no stop saga. Now comment. You know say if Rita go they use comment, Monica will call they use live video. You see, Rita they use comment. Rita they post. Monica call they sit down, they do live video. That means say Monica go talk tire. Because who they write now, you just write, you just throw away, you just come on for there. Monica fit do video put like 3 times. If you don't see say Monica not do video again, then she'll come see write another one again. It's like they use comments. If they use write up till they provoke Monica. You know, their matter get as it be. They are so, I don't understand. I've never seen this kind of thing before. Me, I don't fit do this to you. I don't fit. You see this as I dey analyze so hey. Now this one they sweet me for inside. Come sit down, come they say, go breathe this one, yo, they don't go breathe that one, yo, they don't go. At the end of the day, waiting that they carry the con, it no make sense. Now, tentacular lady way day. Hey, make you check. Waiting that one still take the wait. I'm coming back. Make I check. You know, say I block authentic lady. That one, you know, say if you with and they do something, go they find picking when you go they sort. Let me go to blockage session. Blockere. This Facebook now every day now just the touch. Every day I want to enter this thing now. Every day now they take the touch. Yeah. Clip. I don't even know as I want to enter again. I don't know. No, see, all the time, touch. Every day, touch. This Facebook, wait, make I bring them out. That one, no, there is no need. That one not the do saga get set or setting. No, go check whether where for block that one, whether we'll see and break come out. We'll be blocking. Let's go block. No check. I block. Oh, see, I can block. See, no check. Now this one is for the show pass more. See if people when I don't block. May I check on whether we will see authentic lady for you. Authentic lady, me I no see am. I didn't see. Maybe not the second phone. Now that one go open well. Authentic lady not there. How manage? Because it don't end. See, it's supposed to move. Can't end. Why? Make I check. Oh. Why? That day, okay. Now the second phone when I take the do and not there. Not there. I will feel get them because they decide. No, not they decide. Which one they break on? I feel like saying that the second this thing. They you see that one when they tell you when they craze, when they sort me that mumu one. That many of them. I not see they. Now the second side now go there. Now this phone side now go there. You know? Why end? Not move forward. See, the end. See, because now the second side I the block it there. Oh my God! Sleep don't they worry me small. Check on. Now Kata one just start to they worry me so. Wow. I not see him for there. May I check the second side. Now this phone 9D. It's in this phone that I'm using to do live. That's it, my people. Make that one can't show. That one can't tire. Later, na saga he can't do. That one authentic lady. No, not the authentic lady. I buy my house cash. That one can't they use house. That one use house, use. Because he say, using house don't make sense. Now she can say, oh, me I kukuma, me I not show this pikin. Now this woman pikin be this. Oh, sorry, oh. This woman pikin, you carry this pikin enter house. Since when you don't carry the pikin come for hospital? Too much of everything is bad. Since when you carry the pikin come for hospital? The morning pikin, afternoon pikin. I beg, too much of everything, not the sweet again. Then they carry pikin out once in a while. People say, wow, she don't grow rich like this. All the time, pikin. Which I get how many clipper. Well, you keep on make get. I be not be make go be this one. No, you. It don't delete them. But I said I don't delete them, Nana. It's lovely. I'm not sure. No, I not tell us say do not delete them. Okay, not delete them. Still there. But this don't delete them. Forest. So it's too bad, my darling. Did the pikin they sleep, they'll go wake up. I pray make that pikin no grow or can't get mental problem. You know, so if you newborn pikin, you will live and may relax. Small pikin, I beg you. Too much. You say use your mind, still check out. Some people even say, now blogging, now you for they see money chop. My sister, not be the picky, you just they blog. You not sweet for eye gay. I don't even know people when they even wash and safe. I don't understand. If you don't fair read there, if you don't fair they pass the count that time, pregnancy, belle wheel. I don't roll and pass pure. I don't roll and pass. After you don't the belle wheel, don't show and finish it. Now later, na picky again. Since when he carried that picky come for hospital. Still for another thing do. The time when that picky never day, you they do something. You know, it's not good. You know, say if you talk, people will say, you are jealous of waiting. Me, as I they talk, and they say, why are you jealous? Me, when my children don't grow. My children don't grow. I want to go they jealous. When you are saying the right thing, people, they will instead of them to say, my sister, not true, you talk, they say they jealousy, that they give fake love. That be too much. Picky. You know they do another thing. Some people, they get children, they do another blogging. They all this thing. As I say, she they even he say, she even on video say, na plate she they wash. She don't already get follower. They go still wash her. Even he say, na ordinary spoon, she they wash. The people when they wash her, they will still wash her. But pikin will they wake up, you will wake up in the morning, you will go carry pikin. Pikin they wake up sometimes. If as I say you know they cry, no carrier. As I say the pikin know they cry, no carrier. If pikin they cry, neither they carrier. I don't know as people say they even take care of pikin. If pikin they cry, neither they carry. Pikin can wake up for bed, you go there, just leave her may relax. Carry the pikin all the time, carry and get up, carry and get up. No. Sometimes I will this is too much. This small pikin just they come live. They carry camera, they put for your eye. They never know whether that one will feel get infection for camera. Because the pikin gets more na fresh pikin. I pray it's too much. It's too much. Another thing not there when you go show. The second one when they pikin that one they do. Since when they born that one, this nice side belly, that one for eat pando come. Since when they born that one they eat pando. That one be like Papa Jasko. Don't say I know they go that side. They not reach a beg. See when buy 10 house. Wish mommy she did fine. Stay. Okay, she buy 10 house. Where is they for buying for Europe? For Europe, my sister, not be Europe you dey. If you buy one house, you no pay finish, you know they buy another one. All those one are story, all those one are blogging. My sister, don't forget them. How they like to talk about it. No say if they talk about it, you'll be like say they rich. Facebook to ban children. Yeah, it's too much. But for Europe, now Mugu neither they talk to you. Don't buy a house, you never pay finish. That house when you see so now new houses, that house you reach around 400,000 euro. 400,000 euro. That house, that area where they day, so house for them feel day around 400,000 euro. Because a new house, 370, 370. That house go be. Here now Europe, if you not finish one house, if you not pay and finish after 20 years. If you like, say you dey get money, the way where they say make you take pay, now you go take pay. Okay, you want to tell this every year, every boy I thought say the boy wait there. I think that boy now around that kind. You don't reach 3 years now. Be 3 years. You want to be say for Facebook, you just work 400,000 euro for 3 years for Facebook. 400,000 euro even for YouTube self. You got one woman where they eat crab for YouTube where they eat all those big fish. The woman say a year now $60,000 now YouTube they pay her. He said the money when they buy those crab or those big nita, you know they not be money they buy big nita. Those big nita scrap when that woman they eat $200 so $200 where they chop. Calculate the money, calculate a month. If not every day they use $200. If say even he said now 1,000 100 euro. If now 100 they buy waiting they do that content every day. Calculate them for a month is 3,000 euro. You know it's 3,000 euro. And the woman not go they buy her every day like that. It's too much. They are not. The second one, since when that one picking no chop baby food one day. That one now semo. You know say they don't they talk that people say, are you jealousy there? People when you get money pass, now you want come they jealous. Are you jealousy there? Are you jealousy there? That one the picking will chop semo, chop. Now so the picking they say, they too they do even the I'll be like say they just born children come pack children put for social media just now their children come they labor for them. Now their children they work for them. Now their children. That means say they are fake parents. They fail. When they say now children now they think they make money when they think they feed the children. They are fake parents now. They fail like that. Yeah. That's it, my people. It's too much. I don't know. I don't even know when I see. I don't see where. I say, who be this one? When I look at this and see the name, now I got to say, no, this one with the PK. So it's something too much. You know, they sweet for her again. And they get after 3 months, they carry the PK come out. Wow, the PK don't big go before you go. No, the people even they say, where is your baby? Where is baby? Long time we have not seen baby. Where is baby? When you bring something come out, if you touch one too much, people not go they interested again. You're gonna be like say you can't summon you, you know, you can't irritate you. You they irritate. You get where you carry a con, you go they irritate, you know they they say when you bring something come once, it's something when that they see once in a while. Now they sweet pass. If you they do all the time, every day by day, people say, I bet now this say picking they show, now this thing they show, now this thing they show, you know. That's it. That's so. They are not even doing it. They are not fit. Oh, carry picking, show picking, show. I never see picking before. No, I pray. And they go all this thing all fitter. If you see the children, all the children black. Now fitter. Now they set for the children. Oh, big. Now, so my people.